If you're experiencing the FIFA 24 Cloud Save Error 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to playing your game without interruptions. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official EA Sports website or their social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your device. Turn off your gaming console or PC completely and then restart it. This can help refresh the system and resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the error. Step 3. Clear cache. For consoles, clear the cache by holding down the power button until the system shuts down, then unplug it for a few minutes. For PC, you can clear the cache by navigating to the game files and deleting temporary files. Step 4. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and strong. You can test your connection by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If there are issues, reset your router or switch to a wired connection if possible. Step 5. Relink EA account. Log out of your EA account in the game and then log back in. This can refresh your account connection and may resolve any syncing issues with your cloud saves. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error and enjoy FIFA 24 without further interruptions. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to EA support for additional assistance.